In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and export a design in Polotno Studio. First, open your browser and go to studio.polotno.com. You can start designing right away with no sign up. If you do create an account, you'll be able to save projects and come back to them later, which is handy for ongoing work. Take a quick look around the editor. On the left, you'll see tabs for templates, text, photos, uploads, shapes, and backgrounds. Your canvas is in the center, and along the top is a toolbar where you'll find controls like position, effects, and colors, as well as the File menu and the Download button. To jumpstart a layout, click Templates on the left and drag a template onto your canvas. It instantly fills your page with a ready-made design that you can customize. To edit or add text, either double-click any text on the template or click the Text tab to insert a new heading or paragraph. With the text selected, use the options along the top to position it precisely, apply effects like shadows, and change colors. For good readability, keep strong contrast between your text and the background. For imagery, open Photos to access a built-in library powered by Unsplash. Use keywords to search, then drag a photo onto the canvas or into an existing placeholder. If you have your own images, go to Uploads on the left and add them from your computer. When you bring in a photo, use the corner handles to resize while keeping proportions, and place it with the position tools so elements don't overlap unintentionally. If you need simple graphics or a backdrop, click Shapes to add icons, lines, and basic forms, or switch to backgrounds to set a solid color or an image. You can fine-tune any selected element at the top, adjust its position in the layer stack, apply effects, and pick exact brand colors using the color picker or by entering hex or RGB values. When you're ready to keep a copy, go to File and choose Save to store your project locally on your device. This creates a project file you can reopen later to continue editing. To export a finished version, click the Download button at the top. Choose your format, PNG for crisp images, GIF for simple animations, or PDF for documents, and set options like file size or frame rate for GIFs. Confirm to start the download. Later, to keep iterating, open your saved project file and pick up right where you left off. That's the basics of Polotno Studio. Pick a template, customize text and images, and export in the format you need.